The Byrd tool Shelix DW735 Cutterhead is designed with an overall diameter that is roughly 1/16 of an inch smaller than the original OEM head, allowing for easy installation without the need to remove the carbide inserts. The unique design of the Cutterhead features a true helical cut, which slices through wood, significantly reducing noise and tear-out. The Cutterhead is outfitted with C3 carbide cutters that are spiraled to break up chips for efficient dust collection, and are known to last an average of 10 times longer per side than traditional steel knives. In the event that the planer hits a nail or staple, there is no need to replace the entire length of the planer head, as only 2 or 3 small, inexpensive knives need to be replaced. With a price of $425.95, the Cutterhead has received a review score of 4.4 out of 5, based on 493 reviews. The Byrd tool Shelix DW735 Cutterhead, manufactured by Byrd Tool and designed for the DeWalt DW735 model, is not only a high-quality replacement part, but also an upgrade that will enhance the performance of your planer.